Hello, and today I will be showing you how to find the chemical equation for calcium acetate and sodium carbonate as the reactants, and sodium acetate and calcium carbonate as the products. So now that we know the reactants and the products, to find an equation, we first have to identify what type of reaction is going on. And as you notice that the reactants, all that's happened is that they switch ions to form the new compound products. And we can identify this as the double replacement reaction. The double replacement is a reaction where the two reactants exchange ions to create two new compounds or products, which is what's going on in our compounds. Now, to create an equation for a double replacement, the general formula is compound AB plus compound CD converts to compound AD plus compound CB by exchanging ions A and ions C on compound AB and compound CD to form the new compounds. Now, if we plug in this formula to our reactants and products, we get the formula sodium acetate and calcium carbonate for the products, and calcium acetate and sodium carbonate for our reactants on this side. And here are our products on this side. Now, first we notice that this is not a balanced chemical equation because now to balance it, we have to identify all of the elements, record how many atoms are in the reaction column of the element, and how many atoms are in the product column of that element. And we find that it's a pretty uneven chemical equation. Now to balance it, we find the highest number, which is 7 oxygen atoms on the reactant side. And in order to make that equal to the product side, we can do that by taking the sodium acetate and we just multiply that by 2. So that way we gain 2 oxygen atoms, bumping that up to 7. We also gain 3 hydrogen atoms, bumping that up to 6. We also gain 2 more carbon atoms on the product side, bumping that up to 5. And we also gain 1 more sodium atom, bumping that up to 2. So just by adding that second sodium acetate compound, we completely equal out the equation. So here's our fully equal equation. We have 1 calcium acetate compound on the reactant side, 1 sodium carbonate compound on the reactant side. We have 2 sodium acetate compounds on the product side, and 1 calcium carbonate product compound. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped.